friends, today we are going to make something that defies the laws of gravity. We are going to make a levitating pencil by just using 6 simple ring magnets. Here are the materials: a pencil, 6 ring magnets, a craft stick, and a fan for the back of the pencil. And most important, a foam board. Before we start, let me show you how magnets work. Let me take 2 magnets. So, magnets can either repel, or if you flip them over, they can attract. Okay, now let's get started. So, take the craft stick and put it in the first gap of the foam board. And take 2 ring magnets and put them on the pencil. Don't worry about the poles right now, and just keep them on the pencil. Now, for the most important part to make the pencil levitate, the magnetism. So, first we have to put 2 magnets on the front, 2 on the back, but not randomly. The front 2 magnets have to attract the front magnet, and the back 2 magnets have to repel the back magnet. Now, here's how you test it. Take 1 magnet and put it. This one attracts, so it's at the right pole. So we have to insert it for the front. This one attracts too, so it's at the right pole. Now we have to make 2 magnets repel the back magnet. This is repelling, so it's good. Okay, now we have to make this magnet repel. Flip it. Okay, this one is repelling. Now, the tricky and exciting part, to make the pencil defy gravity. Let's keep it here. And this has to be exactly in front, not behind, not ahead. And voila! Now if you want, you can keep the fan on the back, then do it again. Why does the pencil levitate? Now I'm going to explain the science behind it. So, the back 2 magnets are repelling the back magnet on the pencil, which pushes the pencil up. And the front 2 magnets are attracting the pencil, which is pushing it onto the stick. And the stick stops it from moving any further. And this is how the fastest trains work, like maglev trains. They use magnetic levitation to make them go super fast on the track.